Hello everyone, welcome back to another Craft Time with Pastor Maddi. I'm so excited to be here with you guys. We are in a whole brand new month, holy moly, and our theme is I Can Love Like Jesus, where we are continuing this, yes, Jesus loves us, but we can also love like he does. And today we've got an awesome, fun, really cool craft. So things that you guys will need. You will need, I have provided everybody with a big yellow construction piece of paper. You will need that. Also underneath is a little thing, not necessary, but it's something to help you remind. It does say, I can love like Jesus, light of the world. Then you will need scissors, and I believe you will need a little bit of tape, not a whole lot. And then if you would like to decorate your craft, you can obviously grab some crayons, colored pencils, or markers, whatever you would like to do. Or you can just leave it plain, whatever you would like. Or if you have any like confetti or gems and stuff from previous crafts left over, you can always decorate it however you would like. That is up to you, and what you have available to you. So quickly go grab those supplies and then we'll dive on in. Ready? Here we go. Okay, so now that we have our supplies, we're going to dive on in. Our topic this past Sunday was when it comes to loving like Jesus, we want to be the light of the world. And what better way to show that we are the light of the world than by making a paper lantern? One of the things that I was thinking about as I was talking about our story on Sunday was the movie Tangled. It's a Disney movie if you haven't seen it. Highly recommend. I love Princess Rapunzel and Flynn Rider, aka Eugene Fitzherbert. But what I love about that movie is how the queen and king tried to find their lost daughters. They constantly send out the paper lanterns to light up the night sky and light the way home for the princess. And when you think of that concept and you put it into what we were talking about on Sunday, we want to be like those paper lanterns. We want to light the way for other people so that way they can see who Jesus truly is. And that's what Jesus asks us to do. So as we put this together, know that we are the light of the world and we want to shine forth like a light. So now we have our supplies. Let's go ahead and make our paper lantern. Awesome job. So now you can go ahead and hang that paper lantern wherever you would like, and let it remind you that you are the light of the world, that you shine forth God's love, and as you do that, you push others to Jesus so they can know his love and his light. I love you guys. Have a fabulous week. I'll see you all again next time.